Namaste. Today I am going to speak about the importance of Janma Nakshatra. Many astrologers do not know or aware of the Janma Nakshatra's usage. The Janma Nakshatra has so much of usage that you probably have forgotten to use it as one of the main indicator. One of the person who came to me and asked me how is this transit is going to be. I told him first check the 45 days, the coming 45 days. You will know how the transit is going to be. But he told, that is okay, sir. Is there an astrological parameter to understand? I told him very, very clearly, check the Janma Nakshatra of the transit preceding month. Suppose the Jupiter has made a transit, the next Janma Nakshatra give importance. If the Janma Nakshatra is going to be happy, peaceful, lot of money is going to come, your entire transit is going to be positive. So this is the first indicator of the Janma Nakshatra. If the transit is happening, you check whether that particular month Janma Nakshatra is going to be happy or peaceful. Generally, you will know that your entire transit is going to be peaceful. There was another man who came to me and asked me, how do you know about the Dasa Bhukti part of it? Whether the Dasa is going to be a Rajayoga Dasa or Rajayoga Bhukti. I said, take the 3 Janma Nakshatra in the coming preceding month. If all are going to be positive, you are going to have a Rajayoga period. He was really astonished because he checked on every month on that particular day he was having issues. There was another client who came to me and he said to me that during the Janma Nakshatra I have noted there is a lot of bad news, misunderstanding, difficulty and problem I have as a person. So this is the first indicator or the second indicator to use as Janma Nakshatra. Also, you take the entire month. In the month you see the Janma Nakshatra. If the Janma Nakshatra is going to be happy and peaceful, your entire month is going to be problem free without any issues across. Now this is another important indicator how the entire month is going to be. If in that particular month the Janma Nakshatra is going to be very bad, you are going to have a difficult time across. Also another important indicator is the Janma Nakshatra of what you call both Dasha Bhukti and transit and general of the Janma Masa Janma Nakshatra, that the month in which you are born, that particular Janma Nakshatra is very, very important. If you don't have problem, if you don't have negative news, the entire year is going to be problem free. So your birth month Janma Nakshatra is very, very important across. Generally, if you are getting marriage proposal, if you are getting any kind of offers and proposal, if it comes on the Janma Nakshatra, don't worry, just go ahead and take it. It will be very, very positive across. Because the nakshatra you are born will have a lot of punya and you must have done a lot of punya on that particular thing. So therefore it is very important, any kind of offers, any kind of new things which come across on the Janma Nakshatra, it will be correct. I have seen in a family of 4, lot of good things will happen for the husband during the Janma Nakshatra of the wife, during the Janma Nakshatra of the children. This also can be taken as an indicator across. If suppose you are getting a proposal on wife Janma Nakshatra or children's Janma Nakshatra, you please go ahead and take it because it is going to be very, very positive across. So this is also a very, very good indicator of how the Janma Nakshatra is going to be across as a person. And I have seen a person where he went himself and got admitted in the Janma Masa Janma Nakshatra for a brain surgery. In fact, it turned out to be so bad that the entire year turned out to be so bad that he was hospitalized, he had a divorce, he had a lot of problem which was coming across as a person. So it is very important that you are trouble free during the Janma Masa Janma Nakshatra, and that is going to be a very strong indicator of how the entire year is going to be, whether you are going to have a major disaster across as a person. I actually advise a lot of people who do stock market, and I tell them normally please check whether you are making the money during the Janma Nakshatra. If you are making money during the Janma Nakshatra, you can be very well be clear that you are going to make money in the stock market across. In case you are not making money or losing money, you need to be very careful. Check for the 3 Janma Nakshatra. It will give you a very, very clear indicator of how your trading days is going to be. Now, this is also a very important indicator for people across. The other point of it is, during the Janma Nakshatra, don't try to do the Shakriyas. For example, Vamana, Dauti, all that do not do, it might aggravate. For some people, the health issue during the Janma Nakshatra will be very high and it will get aggravated in Amavasya and Paurnamiya, and ultimately they will have a lot of health issues across. And also, the Janma Nakshatra of the wife, something good happens to you, your marriage can be told as lucky and happy. And also, if the Janma Nakshatra happens on that is your children's Janma Nakshatra, something good happens, your children can be very lucky to you as a person. I have seen lot of people becoming very, very successful, or lot of problem get solved during the Janma Nakshatra. It is a very, very strong indicator of how the things are going to be into your life across. Now, this is not understood by many astrologers. They keep on talking about this Raj Yoga, that Raj Yoga, that issue, without coming to the conclusion and understanding. Also, the Janma Nakshatra along with the Janma Tithi and the Janma day, if it combines together, then it can have a massive impact into your personal life. You should take special cares on that particular day. For example, you are born in a Rohini Nakshatra on a Tuesday, and the Tithi is supposed to be Trayodasi. If this combines together, Rohini, Tuesday, Trayodasi combines together, you need to be extra careful about this particular thing. Also, the nations which have a lot of problem will have problem during the Janma Nakshatra days. Now, for example, if you take the horoscope of Hayati, Sri Lanka, all those people across, they have a particularly a bad time, because the Janma Nakshatra, there is a lot of suicide bombing, and there is a lot of pain and lot of difficulty as far as people are concerned. So please understand that these are all very strong indicators even for a nation. Also, if you are in a position of power, if you are in a position of what you call it of extreme power during the Janma Nakshatra, you are going to have a problem. You lose election, you lose a lot of things across as a person. You will have the entire, you might seize power across. If you take Idi Amin, he lost power during very close to his Janma Nakshatra. He was not able to recover across. The other point of it is, try to do some dana or try to do the ritual during the Janma Nakshatra. You will be very, very successful. For example, if you are going to do the Ayush Homam, if you are going to do Mahalakshmi Homam or some kind of Parayanam across, now this is very, very important that you do in the Janma Nakshatra. Many people consider Janma Nakshatra as negative. It is actually wrong. Janma Nakshatra is a very, very positive indicator about how your life is going to be across as a person. Also, very important thing, do not pick a fight, do not quarrel, do not have misunderstanding with people during the Janma Nakshatra, as it can have a lot of detrimental impact into your life across. I pray God that may you be able to use your knowledge. Also, if you're going to start a new endeavor in spirituality like that of yoga or any kind of spiritual things across, please make sure that you do it on the Janma Nakshatra day. Now, many great masters festivals are celebrated during the Janma Nakshatra. For example, Prophet Muhammad Miladun Nabi, for example, the Vesak festival of the great Gautam the Buddha, the Mahavira Enlightenment Day, or it will happen very close to their Janma Nakshatra across. So therefore, there are so many usage of the Janma Nakshatra hardly understood by many astrologers, and if you want to do the remedies, do on the Janma Nakshatra day. I try to advise people, I try to simply say, light 50 lamps during the Janma Nakshatra day, you will do very well across a person. Once you understand this, you would be able to deal with these situations very, very easily and happily. Astrology can be used as a point of remedy than simply giving predictions and making one's own life very, very negative across as a person. Thank you.